Welcome to Nest of Life. Cutting the vegetables in small pieces is called chopping. Chopping. Slicing. Slicing. It is called slicing. Slicing. It is called mincing. Mincing. Cutting the vegetables in very small pieces. Called mincing. Mincing. This process is called shelling. Shelling. Removing seeds. Called shelling. Shelling. This process is called whisking. 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 Making a dough called kneading. Kneading. You can make a dough for chapati puri or kneading. This process is called simmering. Simmering. Boiling something in a small flame called simmering. This process is called marinating. Marinating. Grating. Grating. This process is called grating. Grating. This is called squeezing. Squeezing. By squeezing, take out juice of fruits. Sprinkling. Sprinkling. Sprinkling salt, pepper or anything on food. Drizzling. Drizzling. Add liquid on food. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.